Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset Byju's SD card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you want to do it on a PC, first you will need to purchase an adapter, or your PC or laptop needs to have an SD card reader. If you have to purchase an adapter, you can get one of these USB ones. They plug into your PC, and you will be able to insert the Byju's SD card into the adapter. After doing that, now go to the search bar on your computer and type in Disk Management. You'll see the option Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the control panel. Click on Open. Once the Disk Management window opens, locate your Byju's SD card from the list of drives. Next, right-click on the SD card and select the Format option. A new window will pop up showing the formatting options. Now, if your SD card is 64 gigabytes, make sure you select exFAT. If it's a 32 gigabit card, you can choose either NTFS or FAT32. Both work fine for 32 gigabit cards. After selecting the correct file system, toggle on the option Perform Quick Format for faster results. Once that's set, just click on OK to begin formatting. The process only takes a few seconds, and your Byju's SD card will be reset successfully. And that's it. So that's basically how you can reset Byju's SD card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.